Assalamualaikum, I'm Dr. Murtaza. I'm a qualified homeopathic medical practitioner. I have been practicing homeopathic successfully since last 18 years. And Alhamdulillah, in all these years of experience, I have dealt with many patients with different diseases like gastrointestinal diseases, allergies, arthritis, female reproductive system diseases, children diseases, anxiety, stress, skin and hair problem, obesity, and many other health issues. At our clinic, we carefully review patients' past medical records using detailed case-taking approach. We not only give them high-quality consultation and homeopathic medicines, but we also give them guidelines about their diet plans and different physical activities so that they could be more in control of their health and achieve long-term health goals. With homeopathic treatment and our particular methodology, Alhamdulillah, we have enabled a lot of our patients to get complete cure. Our clinic is in Bahria Town Phase 7, named as Holistic Homeopathy Clinic. So if you have not been resolved with your any health condition, you may visit our clinic or take an appointment through E-Mareez to get a 10% discount on your consultation. Thank you.